Good morning students. Welcome to the second class of Exponents. Today we will write the two laws of exponents, that is multiplication of powers with the same base, division of powers with the same base. Let us recap whatever we have learned in the previous class. What do you mean by 2 to the power 4? Here 4 is called as index, power or exponent. It gives us the information that exponent gives us the information that how many times the number has to be multiplied. That means here 2 is the base. 2 has to be multiplied 4 times. You know to write the general form or natural form for this exponent. 2 to the power, let us multiply 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. The bases are for both the exponents, the bases are same, base is 2. What do you mean by 2 power 3? Means 2 has to be multiplied 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. What do you mean by 2 power 4? 2 has to be multiplied 4 times. In total, 2 is multiplied 7 times, right? How can we write this? 2 is multiplied 7 times. How we will write as in exponent form? It is 2 to the power 7. Even we add up the powers of 2 multiplicand and multiplier here, when we add up the powers 3 and 4, we will get the number as a 7. We need not write the multiplicand and multiplier as the number of times as mentioned in the powers, and straight away we can get the answer by adding the powers. So it is when the power is a small number, that is 3 and 4, we can write 3 times and we can write 4 times. We can total it. But when the power is 30 or 300, 3000, 3 lakhs and it is 4 lakhs, how can we write? Is it practical to write that many times to find the answer? We have to get the general rule to get the answer here. So we will generalize the example now. To generalize, it is x power a into x power b. The bases are same. Any value we can assign for x, that is from 1 to any large number. Here the bases are same, that is how we will represent the, just observe the blue color, that gives us the notification that the bases are same and a and b powers are different. A and b, for a we can assign any number from 0 to any number for a and b. How we will get the answer? It is x power a plus b is the answer. Let us generalize the rule with a as the base and m as the power. A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus 1. The same rule applies for fraction also. When the base is in the fractional form, that is a by b is to the power m and a by b to the power n, it is equal to a by b to the power m plus n. You know division. Here 2 power 3 is the dividend, 2 power 2 is the divisor, 2 power 3 divided by 2 power 2. Right, we will write the division sum as a fraction now. 2 power 3 divided by 2 power 2, divisor is the denominator. Now write, you know what is the meaning of 2 power 3? 2 has to be multiplied 3 times. Here 2 power 2 means 2 has to be multiplied 2 times. Cancel 2 here, cancel 2 here, and you are left with 2. Will you get 2 by subtract to the power 1 here, 2 to the power 1 here. 3 minus 2 is 1. Yeah, we will get the result with the variable a now. a power 3 divided by a power 2. What do you mean by a power 3? A has to be multiplied 3 times. A into A into A. Yeah, A square means A into A. It is our usual multiplication and division sum. Cancel A. Here you are left with A. A power, that means nothing is written here as power. That means it is only one time. A power 1. Do you get by subtracting the powers also? Do you get the same answer? Yeah, you will get the same answer by subtracting the powers. 3 minus 2 is a power 1. Let us explore the division of x powers with one more example. It is 5 power 3 divided by 5 power 2. How do you get the answer directly without multiplying 5 into 5 into 3 times and without writing 5 into 5 as the divisor? Directly subtract the powers. 3 minus 2. Directly we will write the answer 5 power 1. So it is not practical to write 5 power 300 times or 5 power 200 times. It is comfortable if we get the rule to find out the answer. A power m divided by a power n. Let us write the division sum as fractions. Divisor should become the denominator here. Dividend should become the numerator. A power m divided by a power n is equals to a power m minus 1. To get the answer, it is enough if you subtract the powers. The bases are same. This rule applies when the bases are same. Multiplication and division rule applies when the bases are same. We will solve the sum now. It is 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3, a power 3 into 5 into a power 4. We know the rules to find out the answer. We have to find out the answer with the help of exponent rule only. Now 2 power 3. We can add up the powers when the bases are same. See here 2 power 3 and 5 power 1. 5 is multiplied with a power 4. For which powers bases are same, we have to identify. For a power 3 and into a power 4, we will represent the multiplication. We can represent with the dot also, because if you write multiplication sign, it confuses with x. So generally we will not write multiplication sign while in exponents, because we are using a variable x also here. So here 2 power 3 and 5 power 1, they cannot be added. You have to write as it is. 2 power 3 is 8 into 5 into, here a and a bases are same. So you can add up 4 plus 3 is a 7. Straight away you can write the answer. It is 40 a power 7. Let us simplify this sum. 2 power 20 divided by 2 power 15 into 2 power 3. We have to, you know Bodmer's rule. Whatever inside the bracket, you have to get the answer for the bracket first. It is 2 power 20 divided by, let me write as fraction. You need not write also. And you have to multiply with 2 power 3. How do you get 2 power 20 minus 15? It is 2 power 5. It is 20 minus 15 is 2 power 5. Now 2 power 3. Bases are same. Here you have subtracted because the bases are same. It is 2 power 3 and final answer is 2 power 5 plus 3 is 8. 2 power 8 is your final answer. Thank you.